In this lecture, we will discuss about advances in hybrid seed production of jowar crop or sorghum crop. Sorghum is a self-pollinated crop, but cross-pollination up to 8 to 10% may occur in normal varieties. In some of the varieties with loose or lax panicle types, the extent of natural cross-pollination may go up to 50%. In sorghum crop, hybrid seed is produced by utilizing cytoplasmic genetic male sterility system. The source of male sterile cytoplasm used is combined kafir, which is wild abortive species. Thus, in sorghum crop, hybrid seed is produced by using three-line system. These three lines are A line, B line and R line. Sorghum hybrid seed production involves two steps: maintenance of parental lines and commercial hybrid seed production. Maintenance of parental lines is generally referred as foundation seed production. The A line can be maintained by crossing with B line in an isolated plot as shown in the diagram. The isolation distance for maintenance of A line is 300 meter from fields of other varieties of sorghum and 400 meters from Johnson grass, Sudan grass and other forage types. The planting ratio of A and B line is kept 4:2 and 4 to 6 border rows of B line plants are also planted around the field. Upon maturity, harvest the R line plants first and keep their heads separate to avoid admixture. Then harvest the seeds from A line plants. The B line and the R line can be maintained just like normal varieties by following the required isolation and field standards. However, the isolation distance required and the field standards are similar to that of maintenance of A line. Commercial hybrid seed production is generally referred as certified seed production. In hybrid seed production, A line is crossed with R line or fertile restorer line as shown in the diagram. For commercial hybrid seed production, the isolation distance required is 200 meter from fields of other varieties of sorghum, 5 meter from other hybrid seed production plot having the same male parent, and 400 meter from Johnson grass, Sudan grass and other forage types. The planting ratio of A line plants and R line plants is kept 4:2 and 4 to 6 border rows of R line plants are also planted around the field. Rows of R line plants are harvested earlier to avoid admixture. The hybrid seed is collected from the rows of A line plants. There are some ways to increase the hybrid seed yield of sorghum crop as staggered sowing. In variety CSH5, female plants should be sown 10 to 15 days before male plants. In variety CSH6, both male and female parents should be sown at the same day, and in variety CSH9, female plants should be sown 7 to 10 days before the sowing of male parents. Adjustment of flowering date. If the difference between the male and female parent is less than a week, it can be manipulated by cultural practices. Advancing parent show early flowering. The parent which is advancing should be sprayed with 500 ppm maleic hydrazide or 300 ppm triple C, which leads to delay in flowering. Lagging parent show late flowering. The parent which is lagging should be sprayed with 1% urea solution 2 to 3 times at an interval of 2 to 3 days, it leads to early flowering. Irrigation adjustment. If we withhold one irrigation in advancing parent, it leads to delay in flowering. And if we give an additional irrigation to lagging parent, it leads to early flowering. Pre-hydration sowing. If lagging parent seeds are soaked in water for 12 hours before sowing, it leads to early flowering as shown in the diagram. Blowing air by operating empty duster with the mouth directed horizontally to the male ears will help to disseminate pollens which increase the pollination percentage.